And welcome to the Continuous Content Network, a CCM production. I'm your host AJ, and welcome to my channel. Now today we have something a little different. But before I get into that, I want to thank all my new subscribers. Thank you guys for your support. If you're new to the channel, thanks for stopping by. Also, make sure you check out my 100 subscriber prize detail giveaway video. Yeah, we're doing a 100 subscriber giveaway, and I did a video describing the prizes and details, so make sure you check that out. It could be you. Now, today we have LEGO Speed Champions set 76903 Chevrolet Corvette. Comes with the CAR race car, and it comes with a 1968 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray. Comes with two drivers, one male and one female. And let's just look at this. Let's look at the front. That CAR is beautiful. Let me move the camera. Look at that. Looks like it's going to be an excellent build. And the Stingray looks good too. I like that license plate at the bottom of that. Let's check out. This comes with 512 pieces. It should make for a nice build. This is the back. Stingray looks beautiful. I like the color. I think that's a good classic Stingray color. And the CAR looks good too. Can't wait to build this, you guys. Oh, look at those rims. I like those rims on there. This is the side of the box right here. And I will be doing a video on all the Speed Champion sets from 2021 and previous years. I have them all right here, so be on the lookout for that video. That's coming up next. The Lamborghini from last year and the Jaguars from last year, but the Corvette, the Toyota, the McLaren, the Ford Bronco and Ford GT, and the Dodge, and the Koenigsegg. Oh yeah, the Koenigsegg. They're all new for 2021. So let's open this puppy up and get to it. Let's see. Let's see what we have here. Okay. First we have bag number one. Bag number one here. Bag number two there. Here we go. Bag number three right here. Bag number four. Here we go. This is two sets of rims right here. Here's book number two. And yes, it looks like we build the Corvette CAR first. That's good. Looks like it's going to be a really nice build. So let me open this book up, open this bag, get to it. I'll show some of the build, but I probably won't be able to show the whole thing because it'd be too long. But I will be showing some of it. So stay tuned. And there you have it, Continuous Content Network. LEGO Speed Champion set 76903 with the CAR Corvette and the 1968 Chevrolet Stingray. Beautiful set, excellent connections, really fun to put together. I definitely recommend this set if you're a Adolfo fan like me, adult fan of LEGO like myself. Yes, so make sure you check out the 100 subscriber video with the prizes and details so you can learn about that. It could be you. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, comment. Let's get these numbers up and be safe.
Amazing!